Assalamu alaikum, dear viewers. Good morning and have a wonderful, blessed day. Warmly welcome you on HM Tech Solutions official YouTube channel. Today, we show you how to repair and overhaul this radio Alinco DR135 Mark II. So, before start the video, please subscribe our channel, like, share, comment, and must press the bell icon. And first of all, look this. For the overhauling, clean this just your metal body. At first, we clean this carefully. Now, after that, clean this front cover. This is clean this carefully and separate all the things, all the pieces, and clean them now. As you can see, I have repaired this board earlier. So the problem was, I show you this module. This RF power module was faulty, so I have been replaced this power module. Now this is working, and I checked that earlier. It's working good. So at first of all, fix this one, the front cover. As you can see, before fixing the things and after repairing, because this unit is specially for the overhauling here, so all the things cleanly, neat and clean, and put this one here at first, and look this like this, and insert all these buttons. These are the push buttons. At first, this is function. Okay, function knob is here, so fix this with the help of screwdriver. And second one is MW. So yeah, this is for the memory channel, I think. Look this. Push this. Oh, sorry. Must check the sequence before inserting all these buttons. The sequence must be same as mentioned. Functions over the front cover. So after that, we can fix this one. Look this. Now you can check all these buttons are fixed and on the right position. So insert this board. Fix this board here in the front case, as you can see. Look. So this front cover tight with 2 screws here. Now we fix the main board. Look this one. We fix this main board here in the main chassis. So at first, fix this speaker assembly here. Look. Look this, as you can. So at first this here, this assembly here can fix with 2 screws. So it has been fixed. Now you put this main board here in the main chassis cover. So look, like this. So this one you can here. So you can put this, insert this jack first. Much better if you insert this jack first here. Now you can fix this easily. Insert these 2 ports first, then push inside little bit and look this. Now this is easily fixed. Now tight all the screws here on the body. Tight all the screws thoroughly, and look, once all the screws are here and all the screws are tight now. Now you can fix this antenna connector and clean all the parts before fixing. Clean all the parts thoroughly before fixing. So fix this with this screw, but before fixing this, push this ring here inside here, and now you sorry, it's wrong. So like this. Now you can fix this RF connector here and tight with the screws. After fixing all the screws and chassis, solder these points of RF connector. This is the RF power output. Solder first these 2 ground points. And now this will output solder this carefully. Check this after soldering. Now we tight all the screws, as you can see. Now at first you can now you fix these 2 knobs here, this one here and this one here. This is volume switch and this is for thermometer occupancy up and down or functions up and down. So this is this radio is ready now. This is Alinco DR135 Mark II. So this radio is ready right now. So once we check this and attach with the power supply. So at first attach this radio with the power supply. So at first fix the power supply voltage on 13.8 volts and check the polarity. This is red wire is for positive and black is for ground. So we attach the power supply here. Now you can see this radio is on and working now. Now we check all the buttons working or not. Look. Okay. Now this radio is working perfectly alright, and this is the switch. All the buttons and functions are working good now. Once check the reception of this radio, 165.500, and put this here and check this at first on this radio and set the frequency here, same frequency 165.500, 165,500, and check is it working or not. Yes. Hello, test call. Yes, it is working. This, look this is working. Test call. So this radio is working now. If you like this video and want to know more about technical information about radios and electronics and security equipment related, so please subscribe our channel, like, share, comment, and must press the bell icon. Watch more videos like this. Keep watching our channel. Till next, Allah Hafiz.